This video shows how to request access to existing data products previously discovered in the Data Products Marketplace. A user has the possibility to perform different actions with the data products in the marketplace according to their groups and current rights. If a user does not yet have access to a data product, it is possible to simply request access by clicking on the Request Access button. If the Request Access button is not present, it means that access has already been granted for this specific data product to the user. Finally, if the user belongs to the owner group of a data product, they not only have access to it, but are also able to grant access to any group that requires it. To request access to any data product in the marketplace, click on the Request Access button available on the main page, as well as within the Details page of the data product. The user can then select the user group for which access should be granted. Please note that access rights cannot be granted to individual users, only to groups of users. The purpose of the request can be added before submitting the access request, allowing the owner of the data product to ensure a quicker approval time. All requests for accessing data products can be visualized and managed from the Data Access Management page. In the Request Management tab, it is possible to see all the pending requests to access the data products owned by the user. The details of the request, like the name of the data product, the user group that should have access, the purpose, etc., allow the owner to decide if the request can be accepted and what role to assign to the requesting group. In the lower part, it is possible to monitor all the currently active access granted to the data products owned by the user. If required, access can also be revoked. In the My Pending Requests tab, the user can control the access requests they have submitted so far. It is possible to check the progress of the request's approval and delete any pending requests if necessary. The owner of a data product can also grant access to a specific user group even if there is no pending request. By clicking on the Grant Access button, it is possible to select the user group and the role to be assigned. Once access is granted for a specific data product, the user is able to access the data table area and see the data contained in the data product. From here, it is possible to consume the data products within OneData as well as with third-party tools like Excel, Tableau, or Power BI. Ready to use a data product within or outside OneData? Watch the video Use Data Products with OneData.